Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. I have two coins today. They're both silver from different European countries, Belgium and Italy. This first one is a 50 franc coin from 1958 from Belgium. In 1958 Belgium hosted the World Fair, so this coin is the commemorative coin to celebrate that event. On the front here we have Boudillon the First. It's 0.835 silver. On the reverse we have the Belgium or the Brussels Town Hall, the star with 1958 written in one of the, hang on, where's my pointy thing gone? There it is. You have a star here and the year is actually written in here. It's written in here. We have the value over here of 50 francs. And the actual name is the Grand Palais, or the greater frontage of Brussels Town Hall. The mintage for this 1958 coin is 476,000, 0.835 silver. Second coin is a little smaller. It's from Italy. It's from 1913. It's 20 centesimi, and that's CEMTISNI. The person in charge at that time was Victor Emmanuel II, was the king, and it's this obverse shows a lady holding a wheat ear. On the reverse, make sure we get it the right way around, is a flying nude lady, and you have the value, the year and the coat of arms. The value, the mintage of this coin from 1913 is 20,729,000. Now the lady is actually holding a lit torch, and it's known as the Liberty Flying Nickel. Why, I'm not sure, seeing as it's 20 centimetres. I think a nickel's a lot less than that, but who am I to argue with what it's known as? So we have two very, very nice coins. We have the Italian and the Belgian coins. Ooh, let me just come down a little bit. There we go. Two very different coins, both of them high grade silver, and two coins that I've loved having in my collection. I've had them for a little while now. I think I probably had them for the best part of a year. And this has been recorded at the beginning of June 2023, so I think I got them sort of early 2022, and I've been waiting to do the video for them. I didn't know whether to do them individually or together or as part of a bigger silver lot, but I've bitten the bullet now and I've done it as just these two coins together. What do you think of them? I actually like both of these coins. They're for different reasons. This one here is a big old chunky coin. It's quite a high value coin and it's a good percentage of silver. This small Italian coin is a typical sort of Italian design, and it's beautiful. It's lovely in its own right, partly because of that. What do you think? Tell me in the comments below. Do you like either or both of these coins? If you had a choice, would you want the Belgian one, the Italian one, or both of them in your collection? Let me know in the comments below. That ends this review of these coins. If you've enjoyed it, if you enjoyed the review, let me just get this into the bag. If you enjoyed the review, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, if you believe I deserve so, could you please also subscribe? I am trying to get to 250 by the end of this year. I'm currently at around about 100, early 180s, I think 182, something like that. So, excuse me, I would love to have you along for the rest of my journey through coins, banknotes, collectibles and militaria, which I tend to cover on this channel. I do a minimum 4 videos a week. Just recently I've been doing 5. And so therefore I hope you can find something that you would enjoy watching during the week. But thank you for watching until the end, and from me, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, as I say, from me, bye bye now. Ta-da!